What is up everyone, welcome to my second video. In this one I'm going to walk you through my PC setup and give you some useful tips which help me stay productive while I'm at work. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm using 3 monitors in total. I've got a vertical LG monitor on the side and 2 main displays, a Samsung curved monitor on the bottom and the HP monitor stacked above that. This combination is my personal favorite as this reduces neck movement and is easier to work on for long periods of time. The top display is used for playing some reference video for inspiration or just a song to keep the vibes positive, while I've got the vertical monitor for reading tutorials or listing my ideas. Finally, the bottom monitor is where the main task is running, whether it be video editing, Excel, coding, or whatever else I decide to try in the future. For my CPU, I went with a Core i7 12th generation, and for the graphics card I have an RTX 3060 Ti. The case is a pre-built by HP with clean minimal design. Here is some footage for you to enjoy. Next to the PC, I have my indoor plant. Something about the contrast of insane engineering of the CPU with precise tolerances and attention to every detail, next to the raw beauty and organic design of the plant, triggers my creativity and gets me thinking outside the box. Below the CPU, I have my gadgets for easy access. The Google Home works as my speaker and alarm clock. Finally, for my keyboard and mouse, I went with the MX Master 2S, which is honestly one of the best value mice in the market. For the keyboard, I went with an HP wireless modern keyboard which keeps my desk setup minimal. Well, that is all for this video everybody. I only covered the essentials of my workflow in this video to give you ideas on how to improve your workspace. For my final thoughts, I believe workspace should not constrain its user in any way, and I believe this workspace can adapt to a wide range of workflows such as programming, music, finance, and even video editing, so I won't feel constrained by my desk when I'm exploring new things in the future.